What's up, guys? It's gonna be a quick video. I am going to pick up something very cool for the Supra, a new engine. So I got this engine from these guys. I'm gonna show you in a minute, and they seem to be pretty cool and not expensive. I got rear sump, which you know, is imported, and that's what I use in the BMW, and that's what the Supra has. So I don't need to spend $500, $600, $700, $800 just for the sump. The engine price also is great, and I believe they are imported, and they are also clean. So let's see how it goes. So beautiful day, I'm almost there. Check it out. Windows are dirty as it could be, but we are getting there. So excited. All right, you guys ready to see it? Let's go. Check it out. Man, this is so clean.
Yeah. Now if this drops, it'll have to be a TikTok moment. Go viral. Might want to twist that a little bit.
Go.
You ready?
Yeah. You got it. Check it out. I met Logan, which is this guy I'm gonna show next. He is very good friends of one of my friends, Small World, and he was selling the engine, and he has this pretty cool Mazda, and I asked him to show me. So check it out. So you replace the exhaust. That's
just got a resonator delete right now.
wow.
No, nothing else done to it, just a resonator delete. It still has all the existing cats, they're all stock.
Wow. So all of this is OEM. It comes with this here, those seats and all that stuff.
All this is OEM.
Dang.
So if you're familiar with like the WRXs like we were talking about earlier, they actually have like the same stitch seats.
That thing?
Yeah, so you see the Mazda Speed right
Yeah.
here. On the WRXs and the STIs, it just same seat, but it just replaces the badging on it.
That's cool, dude. It looks cool the way it is. You know, I think it's because you lowered.
It looks cool with the like, yeah, the steelies and
Yeah.
a little bit of low on it, but
A little low, yeah.
yeah.
And I like the stickers. You put one here and the other one on the other side. What is that anime thing? It's funny, this dude here sold me the engine, that engine, and he is a friend of our friend Bodhi.
Shout out Bodhi.
Bodhi. Bodhi's the guy that was helping me tune the BMW. There you go. Look at that.
Right here. Shout out Naruto.
Look at that. Show me that thing, because this I haven't seen.
These are actually married specifically to
your
one
car.
vehicle.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So it tells you got the
nice.
you know, the air fuel ratio, RPM tag, boost gauge, high pressure fuel pump internals. So that
nice.
just reads the fuel
From the
pressure, coolant temp, and intake temp. So
That's
it's
cool.
nice. It's convenient to have all, you know,
Yeah.
everything in one place.
For me to have all of that, I gotta have a
bunch of different
ECU, an external ECU.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Either a whole computer, but it's pretty cool you have it there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the engine. Look at that. It's kind of cool. I mean, so, and this came from Japan, right?
Yeah, that's straight from Japan.
Wow. Yeah, look at that. Foreign engine. That's the name of the company. And yeah, totally recommend them. Oh, look at that. It's so clear coated because of the sea salt, so it doesn't get screwed in there, but everything is here. The gas, yeah, is everything here, to the gas lines and power steering.
Everything you need.
Yeah. So all of this goes to trash, and we're gonna have some fun. Right, all done. I'm going to move, and you guys are going to be seeing this guy being rebuilt. So I'm going to use one video to take it off and put it apart, and another video to put it all together one by one, torque spec and all that stuff. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button, and I'll catch you later. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.